My bird. What's going on here?
Well, we were looking for Christopher Robin, and I started looking for his journal, Doodle. That's a book where you write down your thoughts, Robin. And then we found the book with the stories.
Look at this bookmark with a picture of me. Oh, this story looks fascinating. I'm sure you haven't read anything this good yet. Well, read.
All right.
A story for our floppy-eared Franky. Oh, yes, this is one of my favorites as well. On one fine spring day in the Undertaker, Rabbit was doing what he did every spring, planting seeds for his garden. Yes, here you go, little rabbit seed. A nice warm place to grow.